Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole and I am back with another video. And this time it's not a makeup tutorial or it's not a vlog. It's a hair tutorial, guys. I give you the deets on how I get this natural looking high ponytail with a bundle of hair. This bundle of hair is also from BestXtensions. I'll put their link below. Go check them out. Shout out to them for the amazing hair. Before we start this video, are you subscribed? If you're new to my channel, go ahead and press the subscribe button below. Press the thumbs up if you end up liking it, but you go wait to the end of the video to do that. You don't have to turn my bell notification on, but you should, sis, because I got content coming, so I'm sure you want to see content. You came to my channel to see content, so you might as well just turn the bell notification on too. But anyways, if you want to see this, how I got this natural looking high pony, stay tuned. Alright, hey guys, I know I look a little crazy, but it's whatever. Let's get started. So I have the edge wax from the Murray's and I'm just putting it in front of my hair. My hair is actually sectioned in half right now, in the back and in the front, and I am just getting my hair slicked to get ready to part it in threes actually. So now with that front half section, now that I put my edge control in, I'm going to break the top part in half again, and I'm going to separate that middle from the bottom and from the top, and the middle is where I will be putting the fake hair to make the ponytail look more natural. So pin those up, put some rubber bands on them, make them real nice and bright. Nothing too hard, literally. And this is the ponytail that's gonna hold the weave hair. So take your hair tie and just tie the ponytail, girl. Tie that pony. Tie that pony, girl. That's a pony with no tail, but it's okay. That's a pony with no tail. I miss having hair, but I really want to cut all my hair off. Now I'm going to take some fake braiding hair. I wrapped it, like put it through a hair tie, and then I'm going to wrap it like, just watch what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain it. Just tie it onto the ponytail. So as you can see, I started braiding it, and then I eventually get lazy and just wrap it in a freaking ball. Okay, I didn't braid it all the way down. I just kind of braided it and then wrapped it in a ball. Took a small black rubber band and just held it on there. Real simple, sis. Don't do too much. Like, this is a simple but cute hairstyle. Now take your whole track. I'm just going to use one bundle. I'm going to use a bobby pin to pin her in. And literally after you bobby pin it, just wrap it, and I don't bobby pin it again until the end. But just make sure you're wrapping it tight, but don't be too tight, because I wrap mine too tight and literally it's still on my head right now and it's tight as hell. Okay, and I slept on it last night, so don't do it too tight, sis, or you're gonna have a headache like me. But it's okay because it was snatched. Oh, so yeah, just wrap it. It's gonna be cute, sis. Take your bobby pin and literally pin the end of the track, because you need it to be secure, sis. Secure the bag. Okay, so you know we have already put the edge control on the front. So I do this because I know my hair, the edge control has to really sit a second before my hair really will cooperate. So that's why I did that part first. So now that I'm brushing it up, as you see, it lays the way it needs to lay. Okay, I got hair that don't like to cooperate, so I be having to do it the way I know how to do it. So I take two hair ties because, again, I like my ponytails tight. You don't have to do two hair ties, but sis, I gotta be snatched, okay? And then the back wasn't as snatched as I needed it to be, so I just had to brush her up again. Or, you know, get all the little kinks out. Make sure your pony is nice and smooth. Your arms are gonna hurt. My arms are definitely hurting, but hey, if you want to snatch ponytail, beauty is pain, baby. Okay, beauty is pain. Okay, so yeah, I just wrapped it around twice, pull it, It's at the height that I want it to be. So, you know, she nice and cute, sis. Or whatever. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Got2b spray my brush, and I'm just going to run that up the back to make sure that the back of my hair is like up nice, because again, if you guys remember, I had a bob, so the back is a little shorter than the front, so I had to like brush it up and use something to make sure it was in ponytail and it wasn't sticking out or looking crazy. If you need to, like I did, you could spray some hairspray directly onto your hair. I prefer the brush because it doesn't make it as hard. Now there was a piece sticking out, so I had to fix it. But so now I'm taking a piece from the back and I'm wrapping around the hair tie just so you don't see that. So you're gonna wrap it, and then I'm gonna take some Got2b spray that, brush it in a little bit, and then continue to wrap it, and that's gonna hold it so you don't have too many bobby pins in your ponytail hurting you. Now I'm gonna take my Got2b styling gel to do my baby hairs, and let me tell y'all, when you have niggerachi hair like me, Got2b is the way to go. Trust me. So now I'm just brushing out my fake little baby hairs. These really edges that's damn near broke off at this point. But hey, who gonna clock me? Clock your mama. Don't clock me, okay? And so the way I do my baby hairs, I start with putting the edge control on it, and then when I smooth them out the way that I'm doing now, I put Got2b on it. So it's like not hard, but it's still in place, and they're not gonna like curl, because my hair will curl, my edges will curl. So in order for them to lay the way that I need them to lay, I have to follow this process. So if you got niggerachi hair like me, just follow this instruction. This is a real-time baby hair tutorial. This really takes, I guess you gotta double it because I only did one side of my edges. So just imagine me doing both sides, and you'll see how long it takes me to do my baby hairs. But part of my baby hair always throw me off. This part takes me the longest to do, okay? I be brushing it out, I swoop it, but I don't like it, so I'll brush it back. You'll see that in a second, and it just never works how I need it to work. Like, it's irritating slightly. But take your time, don't be rushing on your baby hairs. Now that I'm done with my baby hairs, I'm going to take my headscarf and I'm just going to lay my edges down so that while I get dressed, they're laying down. And once I'm done getting dressed, I curled my ponytail off of camera. I didn't curl it on camera. I'm sorry, but I just used a small wand curler and I did huge chunks to get them kind of like waves, not too big, and I combed them out with a weave brush. I hope you guys like this. Oh, did y'all like this hair tutorial? And I gave y'all a little tutorial on how to do my baby hairs as well, but thanks again, BestXtensions, for the bundles. I got 3 bundles to be exact, but it's only 1 bundle in my hair. But shout out to BestXtensions. I love y'all. Not just saying that because y'all my family, but shout out to y'all because y'all some real ones, period. I hope you guys like this little tutorial. If you would like to see more hair tutorials, comment below and let me know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And to stay connected with me, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. I'm very active on both and I interact with everybody. So come see me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta.